Today I'm driving Renault Pulse. This is an petrol manual car. I don't want to say much about this car. One thing I just realized that the suspension is very, very stable and silent. It absorbs every kind of undulation of roads and all kind of bumps. And engine is very, very silent. Air condition is top notch. It's really chiller. And being a very small engine, it gives a decent performance. This is what I want to say in short, and the rest this video is just a raw footage of POV drive, so I won't say another thing. Clutch is light, gear shifts are small, and it delivers decent power in every gear. Horn is aftermarket, so performance is okayish. I just realized that the AC compression is getting turned off and on based on the ambient temperature, and it is pretty prominent that I can feel that. It is not like it turns off and on without letting me know. I got to know every time whenever the compressor of air condition turns on and off. It's pretty old car now, so might be that's why I'm able to hear those noise. But overall the car is really good at the time of launch, and still it's a pretty good car if you maintain the car in a right way. Then it can last longer. There is nothing I have to complain about this car. This car is pretty much solid, low maintenance, and suspension and everything is better than Maruti and even Honda cars, to be precise. The Renault knows how to tune the suspension even for smaller cars, so it's a pretty good car. So thanks for watching this video. If you like these kind of small videos of POV drives of cars, and if you have any suggestion, do let me know in comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time.